morning. Today I'll be discussing with you Gemini Robotics ER2. Now, this is Gemini Robotics Embodied Reasoning Model 2. This is an intelligence layer. It is not a robot. It is demonstrated its performance on robots mentioned below. We are going to see it how. So, it is not a robot. It is an intelligence layer. Now it has been demonstrated, Google has demonstrated the intelligence layer in robotics of Aprotonics Apollo robots and the Duo robot. I'll just show you what it is. Otherwise, if I keep speaking, you won't understand. This is the Apollo robot, and in the back you can see this robot. It is not a humanoid robot. It is the Duo robot. Franka Robotics F3 Duo is its full name. This is Aprotonics Apollo robot. And here, these are the Inspire hands. Inspire is a Chinese company, and these are 5-finger dexterous hands. And the other hand that they have demonstrated it is with Sharpa hands. Sharpa are robotics hands by Singapore-based company Sharpa. So you can just see it is doing all this work, and at the same time it is doing multi-robot collaboration. So it is talking to the other robot Duo, and it is telling it what to do, what not to do, while it is doing its own work. It is assembling the room, it is cleaning the room, while this person Duo is Franka Duo is fixing things inside the mechanical box. It's seemed like arranging the things back into place after some mechanic or some person have done some really mess around the place. Here you can see the Apollo robot with the dexterous hands adding things in the bag, tote bag. And here this is the Duo. It is arranging things in the mechanical box. And then this is tool use, and it is arranging it. Is looking at it drive. It is maintaining what decision have to be taken and other things, as well as doing this. And conversations, they do conversations with the humans, and they do it very well. So you can see all those things. Apart from that, it can work without internet connection also. So a very futuristic application of it can be installed in night surveillance thing for safety, as well as it can go for space exploration because it doesn't require internet. It can do things in real time without internet connections in places like at times at night you don't have internet connection, so you can use that there. Now let us see at the performance. So its performance has been compared with Opus 5 GPT 5.6 Soul and the previous version Gemini Robotics ER 1.6 as well as Gemini Flash 3.6. So as we can see, this is the royal blue, the darkest shade of blue. It is performing well on success detection of image, success detection of video, question answering, generalized input reading. So it is performing well on all these things. Let's see the next results. It is performing better than, it is performing better than ER 1.6. This is ER2, embodied reasoning 2. It is performing better than ER 1.6. It is performing better than GPT 5.6 Soul and Opus. Now physical agent performance is again another thing in which it is performing better than its own previous one. GPT 5.6 and Opus are not available here. Safety performance, they have added safety performance here, and it is showing to be 97.9% safety, while Opus is showing 95.9. GPT is less, 91.4. And here in human proximity of 1 meter, because it is a robot, it is a physical body, so safety performance is very important here. It is 93.0%, is better than all the models of ChatGPT, Opus and its previous model itself. So the results are quite good here, and you can look at the site and videos here, and this is the link that you can watch it here for. So we have completed all of this in 5 minutes time. Here it is completely showing this is Duo. It is not a humanoid, but it does all those things, and these are the results that we have discussed results already. And if you can see this is the link of the video here. In this link you can copy this link, you can see the video here, and this is another results, and you have another video was there. This is ER matrix. You can see here this I've already discussed this success detections, video based, image based, question answering and generalized instrument reading. It is performing better than every other model till now. So Gemini Robotics Year 2 is on the top of the robotics option. So 5 minutes time is almost up. Thank you so much. Subscribe for reading. Subscribe for my this thing, reading the blogs, as well as subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.